Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create CPAGRIP account. So first of all, we will go into the google.com and we have to type in the search bar CPAGRIP account. And after that, you can see that is the first link is the website of CPAGRIP. We will click on that and here you can see we are in the website of CPAGRIP. On the top side you will see 5 options. You have to click on register and they are asking you, are you a new member? Sign up now. So basically we have to fill all the details here, which is the empty boxes. We have to fill each and every detail. So guys, after filling all the details, we can create our own username and the password. So just click on the login and you can log in into the CPAGRIP. So guys, you have to confirm your email address from your email ID, and after confirming that, you can enter into the dashboard of CPAGRIP. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.